My God, I can't believe you actually showed up. So once you return, please close it like a book. I look away because sometimes I cheat. Not on my wife. Because I don't have one. I have two. They are from a different nation. It's called imagination. So anyway, we don't want to move your hands forward this time. Just please try to resist your hand. One last time, please try to resist. Oh, come on, one last time. Yes, only two fingers. Try to resist. Oh, come on. In a moment, you are going to close your eyes one more time, okay? But for it, look in my eyes. After you close your eyes, I'm going to touch you. No, I mean on the hand. On the hand, okay? Glenn, it looks like you have done this already in your life. Okay, can you please make one? If you don't trust me, you can actually make one more note. Yes, okay. Nobody trust me? Okay, got it? Happy? I cannot use my hand this time, okay? I cannot use my legs as well. The only way to escape is my... No, my mouth, okay? Okay? So we are going to cover that. That's why we have a black jacket on the back. Can I see that? Can I please take this jacket? Yeah, please take it. Come forward. Make sure, is there anything at all inside? Is there any knife, scissors? No knife, no scissors, no guns. Yeah? Okay, please cover it on the top. Yeah, and please stand to my right so the people on the right also can see. Please, and throw the ball. On a count of 1, 2. On a count of 1, 2, and 3. Okay, Ben, are you married? You need to learn patience, sir.